Hi everyone and welcome to this video. This is Shad Abdu from Point Trader Group with the analysis of the last day of the week. So let's start with the euro against the American dollar. But before we start, let me tell you something that is really important. Now we're facing some historical levels that can really help us to make big profits, just in case we know how to use them. We know how to enter the market to find the most important levels where we can enter the market, the proper levels actually. So let's start with the euro against the American dollar. The daily time frame, the pair managed to break through a very strong support level 1.0773 and continue going downwards. It went through this uptrend line, so it might continue going downwards to reach the level of 1.0567. so this is where first of all we can look for some bullish evidence for an expected movement to the upside, again 1.0773. On the other hand, if this level, the support level 1.0567 is broken to the downside, the pair might continue going downwards to reach this historical level, that is 1.0320. Let's move to the GBP/USD on the daily time frame as well. So we're gonna find something that is pretty much the same, historical level as well here, 1.1470. so what we're gonna do now is to wait for some bullish evidence to show up here. Okay, maybe a weekly close should be found above this level. This week the pair should close above this level, and this could be like a signal that the pair might continue going upwards, might reverse around this level. So in this case we can enter the market, we can go long, because if the level of 1.1470 is broken to the downside with a weekly analysis, at least the pair might go downwards to reach 1.1050. So this is going to be our very first target, and as well this is going to be as well a very bearish for the GBP/USD. Now let's move to the Canadian dollar. American dollar against the Canadian dollar, we're facing a historical level as well here, 1.46. okay, as you can see here. So what you're gonna do is to wait for some bearish evidence to show up here, then we can go short targeting the level of 1.36. this is going to be our very first target for the week. Okay, just in case this happens, the pair might go downwards to reach this very first target. On the other hand, if the level of 1.46 is broken with a weekly analysis, a bullish breakout, then we can go long. This means that the historical level is broken, so we can enter the market, we can go long. Finally, with the craziest kind of pair, which is the gold, as you can see here, that we are facing a very strong area from 1450 to 1434. Let me say 1447 to 1435. This is a very bullish area. Okay, in case the pair shows a bullish evidence here, we can go long targeting the level of 1540, which is going to be our very first target. The pair could be forming a head and shoulders pattern. So here we have the first shoulder and the head here, and here is the second shoulder, could be the second shoulder. And in case this happens, then we are facing a very bearish scenario, and this could actually go along with the if they find like a treatment for corona, then this means that this is going to push the gold downwards, and at least our target would be this Fibonacci level 61.8, which is this level. Okay, and this is going to be our very first target in case the level of 1435 is broken, and also in case that the pair forms this head and shoulders pattern. This is going to be very bad. So let's see what's gonna happen. I hope this helps, and thank you for watching the video. Have a wonderful week.